this video, I'm going to show you how I'm prepping delicious chicken for the week with the least amount of work possible. Also, I'm going to make a free PDF laying it out step by step so you don't have to take notes. Check in the description and comments for that. I used to have a more relaxed and steady schedule, so spending a lot of time on Sunday making the rest of the week easier wasn't as big of a deal. Right now I have a job where I never know when I'm going to be working or how tired I'm going to be on what day, and I have to work it in when I can. Some of you are going to be the same way, but this will work for everyone. I always start with the chicken because I'm going to smoke it, so it's going to take more time than anything else. A lot of that time will be hands off though, so I can do other things while it's working away in the background. My next video will show some of the other processes, so tune in then. A lot of people have these big grills and smokers, and I'm not real sure why. I don't know if anyone actually does the giant barbecue with 50 people over like you see in the TV and movies. I have just these portable ones, and I can almost fit a whole family pack of chicken in there. It's a little tight at first, but it works. As the meat cooks, it shrinks and you get plenty of space. As you can see on here, I added a foil mini loaf pan in this smoker to help keep the meat from drying out. I don't know how much it matters on a short 30-minute cook, but it's easy to do. 30 minutes is just an arbitrary number I picked, by the way, and it worked, so I keep using it. Feel free to experiment with more or less time to flavor it to your liking. Now that we have added some delicious smoky flavor, I'm going to finish these off with fire on the gas grill. It's a little crowded in here at first, but it works. You'll see I pulled the smaller ones when they are done and move things around so they cook more evenly. From here you can add a couple of things. You can add vegetables and a carb, or freeze it in individual meals. I like to have a few of these in the freezer at all times so there is something I can have at a moment's notice. Right now I'm putting them all in a container in the fridge to use during the week, more of a buffet style. I have made up bags of my own frozen vegetable mix so I can grab a handful to throw in any meal. I can toss some rice in the rice cooker, put a potato in the microwave or the air fryer, open a can of beans, or a lot of other options that you can use as a quick carb source to go with the chicken. You can even get one of those frozen meals and just add some more chicken to get extra protein. that's going to wrap it up for this video. Check in next time for a quick way to get hard-boiled eggs.